What about you?
I'm also feeling fresh as a daisy. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. Actually, I'm waiting so long time your message. So today that days came, can say. And actually, I saw on your WhatsApp. So this is your daughter?
Yes, I have two kids, and one kid is 6 months old. That's why I'm not getting time.
Okay, I got it. Actually, I have seen your pic. So there is the one girl. Actually, she is also creating a YouTube channel. So her, I think so. Like that is of him, her. Yeah, but it's okay. That way, like we have a good conversation with you. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
yes, yes. Go ahead
So I'm teaching the very first time. So why should we not starting with the
with the intro part.
introduction?
Yes, yes. So I will introduce myself. Thanks for giving this opportunity also for having a one wonderful session. So now I will introduce myself. My name is Preeti. I'm holding the degree of MBA. I was working previously, but I quit because of sake of kids, can say. And recently I started my YouTube channel that is about to the conversational video, and I was working as a subrooker also previously, like before learning this language, but I quit because I want to up skills first. So that is pretty much about me, I think so.
Yeah. So
Ma'am, your voice is
this
sick.
is Savi Chakravarti. Okay.
Now
Hello.
audible. Yeah, now audible.
So this is Savi Chakravarti. I hail from Indore and I'm also
Okay.
running my channel, and I'm a housewife. I have left my job because of little kid, and I am a teacher. Right now I'm not in any field, but yeah, I will join further in any school. So I think this is pretty much about me.
Yeah, so I would like to ask, because I also living in Indore nowadays. Now, not
Oh,
nowadays. Actually, I live in Indore more than 15 years. Yeah.
yeah, same here.
So how about like you are coming like you are basically from Indore, or you are from the outsider?
Actually, I born and brought up in UP itself, and after getting married, I have shifted because of my husband's job. So I have shifted Indore, and I have purchased a flat, and everything I know about Indore, every nook and cranny, I can say.
Yeah, yeah. But I was telling about me, like I moved in Indore when I was completed, like I was doing the study of MBA. So I started study from MBA from here, and then I continued here. Like after getting married, I also staying here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. So, have you visited so far like Maheswar, Mandleswar, or any other place?
Maheshwar I didn't ever visited. Yeah, but I visited Ujjain, Omkaleshwar, nearby places also, but not Maheshwar. One my one of friend is from the Maheshwar. One of my friend.
So, which is the most good thing? Do you feel like I love the most in Indore? Anything,
Okay.
it can be outfit and food. It can be anything.
So I like most actually here is the cleanest city first thing, and here yeah we can enjoy it like freely we can walk here and there because I'm living in the township. So here like when I was doing study that time I'm in city. So like but now I'm living in the township, so that is the different like that from the city. So like here is also the good environment, there is greenery and you can enjoy it like a blazes feel also, you can feel it here. So I think that is also the good thing here, like wherever I'm living here. But yeah, it's
Indore.
here is the delicious food also, like you can go through the street food. So whenever I have craving, so I went there, I just go in the night time for getting the delicious food.
Yes, actually, Indorians are
Foodies.
craving for the food.
Yeah.
And I also love weather because in summer season
Yeah.
not too much hot and not too much winter and sufficient rain. So I feel cool and balmy place is Indore.
Right, right, absolutely correct. Because in my hometown, there is a whenever like cold, like summer weather. So it's two summer, too hot weather season, and when we are talking about to the winter, so that is too winter, like there is too much cold. We can't live without the jacket. But in here, like in Indore, we there is no need. Like only 1 month we are facing the summer, and we are facing the winter season. Only that's it. So
Only
weather is
that's it.
also good in Indore.
That's why I love Indore. I don't want to leave, but I think I will leave because of again my husband's job.
Shifting.
There's no surety in private sector, right?
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
So
So do you have a specific topic?
I think I didn't choose any topic. I just go for the with the flow. So like you live in Indore. So where, which place you live in Indore? Because it's topic about to the Indore only. That is why that will helpful to the others, like who are our viewers. They will learn from the Indore. What is the Indore actually?
Actually, I live in Devas Naka. The first station when you go in a by bus, then it is the first station and Devas Naka. So I live in Devas Naka, and I have visited so far almost. I have covered almost the places of Indore. I love the most Rajwada when I visited Maharani Ahilya Bai's Mahal, Palace. So there I have seen lots of ancient things, passive things. So I felt like I have seen so many siblings. Rani ji means Ahilyabai was fascinated about Lord Shiva. So I have seen and I have read also about her. And yeah, that place I found very much. That place fascinates me. Yes.
But I didn't ever visited here Rani Ahilyabai Mahal. Yeah, I
Okay.
visited one place. It's I think Mandap. There is the Rani place, right?
Yes,
Mandap,
yes,
Mandap
yes.
I also visited there in my college
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
And after that, I didn't get a chance to visit it over there.
Yeah. Anywhere like Maheswar, Mandleswar, and Omkareshwar. So
Yeah,
Maheswar
Omkareshwar.
Mandaleswar established by the Rani Ahilyabai. So anywhere you can see the Maheswar Mandaleswar, and they are, both are established by the beside the lake, river of Narmada.
Right.
Right.
I went
So
there actually. Last week I went there, like in Omkareshwar. So there is a like a lake, and we just go on the ship. So we enjoyed a lot.
you know, some earlier I was feeling like nothing like this holy water and all, but once I visited the Omkareshwar and feel I have bring with me the water of the
Narmada.
Narmada. But still I have that water, and there's on that water there's no
Nothing.
insects. So
Right.
seriously, same time worshipped by the people, nature. They worship nature, like river, and they worship sun, tree. So there's a purity. There was a purity, and they devoted to the nature. That's why nature. But right now we are destroying our nature. Can say.
Right, right.
There is no purity. There is no purity, and we are disconnecting from our nature.
Yes.
And we
Because
don't have time to sit with nature with serenity and calmness, right?
right, right. In Indore, actually, when I was coming in Indore, that time there is no building construction more. In Vijayanagar only they're situated only in Indore, right? But more than 15 year, like I have seen, like there is a change, like more than 10 to 15 kilometers far away again Indore. So I live more than 15, like I live nearby Devas Naka. I also living actually.
Okay,
That is
Yeah,
why.
we did a famous stop in
Yeah.
Indore. Yeah.
So
And yeah, is also very famous for the students only.
yeah, Bhabarkua. Right. So who want to do study like any government sector, so they went there in Bhabarkua, and they used to do study there. Because I
Yeah,
also,
but
yes, when I was in college, that time I also used to live there.
okay. Yeah, but right now name has changed.
Okay.
Bhabarkua Tatya Tope, I think.
Tatya Tope.
If
I
I'm
don't know. Actually, I so long time I didn't ever visited there. because I will be shifted here. So that time like we didn't get a chance to get there. So that is why.
Yeah, lots of coachings over there. So you can see only the hostels and
Yeah.
coachings.
Yes, 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 yes. So, like in Indore, I think many people ask to me like whenever I go through any conversation. So that time they are asking, what is the special thing in Indore? So what would you say about that? Like I already said that.
If I tell you about food, so people wants to means have to only poha jalebi. They are fond of poha jalebi over there. When you go in the morning, especially in the office time, school time, those who are not living with their family, so they are, you can see on the street, so
Yes.
they are busy in the morning, so they are doing breakfast, right, in poha jalebi tea. And in at night, Sarafa market in
Yes.
Rajwada, you can see only whole night it opens.
Yeah.
I think I
Right.
11
More than that, ma'am. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock it will be opened.
yeah, it will open. So like when I visited, then I felt like people are not getting food in their house. Is it
Yes.
really or not?
Yeah, people are fond of the like street food, so they just like I also went like when I was without when we don't have a kid, so when I got a free time in night time, so I just go there and try to use the delicious food. Like there is actually two or three things is famous, because this is the my initial time like when I got married, so there is no boundaries and no responsibility, we are free from everything. So we just went there, and there is a one thing, fire pan. Have you heard that? Fire pan, and there is a one kulfi wala is also famous. So he just wear the gold chain in a like too like I'm not getting the word, like too hard and too thick. He was wearing. Do you know that? So
Yeah, I have seen, and yes, and spaghetti and
Yes.
dhoti. Their outfit also seems attractive.
So people are
Right.
going there like to seeing to him like how they are selling the kulfi. He's very famous in the Sarafa, I would say.
Yes, and in Rajwada, one place is also there, Khazuri Market, for the books only,
Yeah.
and it also always fill with the buyers,
Right, right.
those who are competitors, those who are students. So all people wants to visit only Rajwada because of second-hand books.
Right.
So this is if they are not willing to purchase new book.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
good for those students.
I also go went there like Rajwada for bringing new books for reading. Nowadays I am also in reading. So I was thinking where I got a like very cheapest book. So because we know that might be I will be reading or might not be I will be reading. So that is why I went there. So there is a one thing like I bought a second hand book, and we have to return to that book and with a small price. Like I just give the money 100 or 100 or 150, I think 150. Then when we are returning that book, so they will return 100 rupees to us, and 50 rupees we can read that book, whole book. So I just bought from there 2 books.
I have also got 300 book in only 150.
Okay.
And when I want to return, then 100 or 50 maybe I
Okay.
get. That is beneficial for us. Otherwise, how many books we will keep in our house?
Right. That is why I was thinking I have to just try it at once, because we know that like if you go for the Khazuri market, so there is so many market, like you can get a second, like that is good for like who are doing the study. They are not affordable. They can't afford the money like for buying any kind of new books. So they can go there. That will be beneficial for them. Then they can easily buy any book, and they can return also. So return facility is also there.
Yes.
And about to
Yes,
the
yes.
traditional, like in Rajwada, like if you go there, so you can see the traditional dresses also, like it's sari, suit. That is very famous for the traditional.
Everything, ma'am. Once you visit in Rajwada, then there's no need to go in any other
Other
market.
place,
Once you
right?
reach there, you can purchase anything, whether it is suit, salwar, utensils,
Jewelry,
gold, food, anything.
everything, right, right. That is for the one place. So whenever you who want to be shopping, so they went there and they get all the thing from a one place.
Mm.
And
Yes,
one more
yes.
place
So,
actually. Yes, yes, yes.
sorry, please go ahead.
So there is one place also. It's Chappan Market, 56 Market. That is called the
Mhm.
56 Market. That is very famous. Like there is the all professional are going there and they used to visit in night time.
Night time. Yes, yes, yes. So, are you a workaholic or
Yeah,
shopaholic?
I am a workaholic or
Shopaholic.
I don't know the meaning of that. So please
Okay,
elaborate
okay.
that.
Shopaholic, the person who loves shopping,
Okay. And
and
workaholic.
workaholic
Now,
is the
now I
person
got it.
who loves. Yeah.
I can say like I am on both, not only work, not only shopping, because when I am doing the work, so sometimes I got a entertainment also. Because when I am continuously working, so I was thinking I have to do something. So for doing something, I just go for the shopping. So that makes me happy. That is why I can't say like I am only in the work or I am only for the shopping. When I just doing the work in a weekend, like when I got a weekend and when I got like 15 days, I was thinking I am not doing shopping anything. So I was thinking, okay, I have to go there and I have to purchase something. Then it will be make me happy. That is why.
Right, right, right. So, when you feel fatigue, your mind feel fatigue, then you go outside for shopping, and then you feel happy,
Yeah.
right? That is
Right.
how. Right, right. And when do you feel happy in your house? Are you feeling means when you do you work like any dusting, cleaning, mopping? So do you like these things?
No, I don't like. I like only work actually. I was working before previously, so I think like I was working. I have a that much of capability to doing anything. So I was thinking that is not my cup of tea. I have to just hire a one maid, so she will do, and I will do my value other thing because I have already done the work before. So I think we have to do work so that way like we can earn and we can good give the validation and we can get updation also. We can do productive in our life. That is why.
Yeah, that is important if you want to get success and if you want to reach in our pinnacle, then we have to work. Don't
Yes.
stop your work along with your household chores and all, right? Being a lady, we have chores,
Yeah, we
so we
can't
can
deny, can't
we
avoid.
can, but it's our choice. If we are totally depends on choice chores, or we are doing any other thing for ourselves,
Right.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I think we already covered all the things because whenever we have a conversation to other world side people, so they are always asking what is the new things in your India, like in a central part. So I would say okay, like that thing, this thing, but they don't know. So that video will really helpful for them. They can also get the knowledge, and it's Chappan Market we already described. Rajwada we already described, and Vijaynagar, like wherever we are living nearby. So here is also the very posh area, like who are finding the place to live in Indore. So they just go through the like for the living purpose. I think Vijaynagar area is very posh area, like you can live there. And we are
Yes.
talking about to the investment purpose, so they have to go for the Devas Naka because their rate is also increases day by day. That is why. So it's depend
Yes.
on their choice, like what is the desire of them people who are doing for the who are coming for the study purpose, so they went there like Bhabarkua, and who are just enjoying their life, so there is Chappan Market. And who are coming for the investment purpose, so here is nearby Devas Naka and Super Corridor. Have you heard the Super Corridor? That is also the investment purpose is very big project because there is many things going, like metro is also coming, so like investment purpose, that is also the good area, I would say.
Yes, yes, totally. We covered all of the areas, and one Khajrana temple is also
Khajrana
there.
temple is also.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
we also forget
And
it.
one biggest mall is also there, Phoenix Mall or
Phoenix,
Phoenix Mall?
it's a Phoenix. Some are
Phoenix.
pronunciate Phoenix, some are saying Phonic. It's not
Okay,
a Phonic, it's a Phoenix mall, man.
okay, Phoenix Mall. It's a very huge mall,
Yeah, it's a
very
huge
huge.
news. Yes.
Ah,
Like a whole
and
day you will take, if you went to there, so you have to go in the morning, then evening you will come out at home.
very big mall. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I
So
think, ma'am,
anything do you want?
I think we already covered all the points about to the Indore, so that will really helpful. Like who are coming in there, who are planning to shift it in Indore, who are planning to for the study purpose in Indore. So that video will really helpful for them. So I think, ma'am, that is grateful, great conversation and meaningful conversation. So thank you so much for having me, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Same
Thank you.
here. Good.
So we will
Bye.
catch you soon again. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you.
definitely. Bye.
Yeah, bye.